Hi my friends, hello. Today I'll be making another WikiEATia video for you. This time about a Turkish bagel. It is so delicious. I had one for the very first time yesterday. For the very first time in my life. And I was amazed how good it tasted. It's called Simit, and I'll be getting it out of the oven now. Nice and hot. The Simit pretzels aren't ready yet, so let's Google it. Simit. The butler is also making a tea.
Here's a summary from Wikipedia. Simit is a circular bread, typically encrusted with sesame seeds or, less commonly, poppy, flax or sunflower seeds.
Thank you, lady. Simit is a circular bread, typically encrusted with sesame seeds or, less commonly, poppy, flax or sunflower seeds, found across the cuisines of the former Ottoman Empire and the Middle East. Simit's size, crunch, chewiness and other characteristics vary slightly by region. Region or state, Turkey. It looks good. Let's eat it. It's also called Turkish bagel. It's a little hot. Look. It looks good and it tastes good. It's also called a pretzel, I guess. I guess not. It's called a Turkish bagel. And you see, alternative names. Variations also called these. Actually, it says it is widely known as Turkish bagel in United States. Yeah, because they call it simit. In Turkey. Hey, what's for Thanksgiving? It says main ingredients. Dough, which is from flour, water, yeast and salt. And sesame seeds. Look how many sesame seeds there are on. These are like the best sesame seeds I've ever had. Look how nicely it is coming out of the oven. Then sesame seeds, you were like, blah, I already told you, and molasses. Variations also called this and that. Like I told you earlier, I'll show it to you again. Maybe we can check them out on Google Translate. Oh. Please give the photographer a thumb up. He set up the camera for me, please. Thank you. He's funny sometimes. I put a warm sweater on. It's going down to only like 49. I mean, not really cold or anything, you know, but what I'm trying to say, the weather is getting a bit cooler from now on. Summer is definitely over. This is like sesame heaven. so good. I know on YouTube you have to be really animated, you know. Oh, hi, yeah, hey, whoa, whoa, whoa. You know, but I'm just calm. I hope I qualify for YouTube. Please tell me if I qualify for YouTube. Leave a comment down below. And I mean not just for my lollipop videos, but for WikiEATia video and art and music. Or maybe Forest Woman. And of course food product reviews. Not to forget on product reviews. Oh, but I am just starting on the product reviews. I hope there are many more to come. Yay! Oh. I'm losing my headscarf. I hope you like my Instagram, guys. It's new, I just got it. So, this is a bit of a different WikiEATia video. Well, I'm not such a professional WikiEATia video, I mean. You know, you talk and eat, of course. It's a little bit more ASMR-ish, but not quite ASMR, but some ASMR is in there. So good. So good. In Izmir, Simit is known as gevrek. I don't know if I said that correctly. Crisp means crisp, although it is very similar to the Istanbul variety. Oh, so it's different in Istanbul. Oh, let's just fly to Istanbul and eat one. A Turkish bagel. And eat not only one, but 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 10. Now, do I qualify for YouTube? I'm not fast enough. No, I'm too crazy, but... Oh, yeah. How many bagels am I gonna eat? I had a request. That I count in different languages. Now I only speak 2 languages, plus Schwäbisch, if that's another language. It kind of is, you know, a German dialect, not just Hochdeutsch. So I can't really count in Schweizerdeutsch. And I know my battery is about to, not my battery, my memory stick is about to run out, guys. It may even be out already. Photographer, butler, 2 minutes. Oh my god, maybe I can count quickly from how that I'm gonna be eating 10 bagels when I get there to Istanbul. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm chewing at the same time and my memory stick is running out. Six, 7, 8, 9, 10. I guess in English you count this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think this way maybe 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, let's change the memory stick. Oh, I'll be right back. I decided to film in VGA for 1 more minute. It says Simit in Ankara are smaller and crisper than those of other cities. Simit in Istanbul are made with molasses. I'll try and show you this quickly. So, the word simit comes from Arabic samit, white bread or of fine flour. Let me show you. Let me show you statue of Simit. Here. It's so interesting. Don't you agree? Super, super yummy. Oh, look. I have 19 seconds left. 13 seconds left. Turkish bagel kiss. Love you.